little angel. I wish that was me. Oh, my baby. I was so worried.
Mommy.
Where are you? Darling, please. What has gotten into you? How could you do this? I finally found you!